Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is a LG washing machine. This problem customer said the problem is cannot wash and cannot spin. So let's see what is the problem. Let me turn it on. Then we set to the spin mode. Then press the start button. So we have to wait for few minutes. Yeah. So yeah, this is the problem. Yeah, it's blinking. It's a problem is wash and spin, both of is blinking. Yeah, wash and spin is beeping. And for this solution there is a two method. First method, see, there is a magnet has missing, so we'll use any of the magnet. So here, so beeping should stop. So it's not stopping, still continue beep. So this is the first method. So we have to see then second method. Second method is there is sensor. Yeah, there is sensor. So that sensor has problem. So let me remove the board, then I show you. Yeah, this is the PCB board. Yeah, already I have cut for saving the time. Yeah, see, this is the sensor. Yeah, this is the door sensor. So this sensor, there is two leg. Just you short it, you make it one jumper. Yeah, you just short it by cable or by anything. You just do one jumper. Yeah, just connect both of leg. Yeah, it is done. Yeah, see, I show you again. See, just do one jumper. So this sensor will work for it will not work, but it's direct. Yeah, this sensor, this is the sensor. So I made a jumper, so it will work fine, inshallah. This is the method, it will work fine. So dear viewers, I'll fix all the screws, then video will be back. Okay dear viewers, I fixed all the screws. So let's test finally. Set spin mode, then is press start, then we have to wait. Yeah, we have to wait. I hope inshallah it will be okay. So yeah, alhamdulillah, it's successful. Since drum is spinning now, but now if I open door also, it will spin, because that door sensor we make it direct. So see, it's working fine. Thank you dears for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.